Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How is everyone today? I'm Sandy, and today I'm going to show you how to turn an auto funnel into a beautiful glam mirrored wall sconce. When your guests come over to visit you, they would never guess the sconce was made from a funnel used for filling up your cart with oil. To begin, I will show you all the materials used in this craft project, and unless otherwise stated, all materials were purchased from either Dollar Tree or Dollarama. First, we will need one of these plastic auto funnels. This one is very lightweight and perfect to use for our craft project today. Let me know down in the comments below if you ever used one of these funnels for your car, or do you usually let your trusty mechanic take care of things for your car? We will also be taking apart this solar light so we can use the stick for our project. You can set the solar light itself aside for a future project. And for a backdrop to our wall sconce, we will be needing one of these round mirrors. This one seems to be relatively new at the dollar store, and I noticed this mirror is smaller than the 9.625-inch ones I used to find at the Dollar Tree, but this mirror will be perfect for our project today. I also found this 4-pack of black plastic sink patty pots at the Dollar Tree a few months back. We will only need one of these pots, and I will show you later how I found a use for them for our wall sconce. And as for embellishments, I have chosen this black diamond wrap, which I purchased in bulk from Amazon. I also found this package of gorgeous rhinestone ribbon on Amazon. The package comes with different widths and each roll can be cut to size as necessary. And finally, we will also be using one of these large acrylic diamond-shaped gems. For a light source, we will be using this LED battery-operated push-button puck light. And to help us with today's craft project, we will also need some Fix-All and our handy-dandy hot glue gun. My hot glue gun was purchased on Amazon. To begin, we will start by blinging out the sides of the round mirror, which will be the backdrop of our wall sconce. Cut to size a strip of diamond wrap and using small amounts of hot glue, adhere the diamond wrap all around the sides of the mirror until the entire circumference is covered. And while we work on this, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in for today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome to you. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. Next, take the auto funnel and repeat by cutting strips of the same diamond wrap and adhering the strips to the auto funnel until the entire funnel is covered. Due to the shape of the funnel for this step, I found it easier to cut and adhere vertical strips of the diamond wrap. This part of the craft project definitely took the longest to complete, as there were many strips of diamond wrap that I needed to cut to size. But the good news is that using hot glue on the diamond wrap and plastic funnel was very forgiving. If you make a mistake or are not satisfied with the outcome, you can actually put a gentle tug on the diamond wrap to remove it and redo the portion that you want. And you will see that some of your diamond wrap strips will need to be cut on a diagonal to make sure it fits properly onto the funnel. Here you will see I have most of the funnel covered, but I left the last inch and a half of the funnel stem. That is because I will be inserting the stem into the stick of the solar light. Simply place a small amount of hot glue around the last inch of the funnel stem and then insert it into the solar light stick. Hold for a few seconds and then it should be secure. And here I'm showing you how I use one of the St. Patty pots. Simply insert one inside the funnel. Then place the puck light on top and voila! You have our light source conveniently accessible from the top of the funnel. But we're not done yet. For the next step, we need to adhere the decorated funnel to the front of the round mirror. For this step, I would recommend to use both Fix-All and hot glue. The Fix-All will provide longer term hold while the hot glue will offer near instant hold. And make sure you are satisfied with the placement of the funnel to the mirror before securing it down with the glue. Also, ensure that the funnel is centered properly to the mirror. At this point, I felt like there was still something missing on the mirror backdrop. So here I am applying a row of the rhinestone ribbon all around the front frame of the mirror. The rhinestone ribbon is very flexible and can be conveniently molded to the round shape of the mirror. And you'll see that no glue is required because the rhinestone ribbon comes in sticker format. And as we get to the end, I can see the mirror backdrop starting to really take shape. I think the additional rhinestone ribbon really makes a difference to amp up the bling factor. And next, I am going to put the last finishing touches of bling onto our glam wall sconce with the addition of a few more rows of rhinestone ribbon. In fact, you can opt to add as much or as little embellishments as you prefer. And as a final step, here I'm going to insert the pointy end of one of the clear acrylic diamond-shaped gems into the bottom of the solar stick. I'm also adhering a crystal doorknob to the top of the push-button puck light. This step is optional, but I feel it amps up the glam factor for our wall sconce. And here is the final look for our auto funnel wall sconce. This beautiful wall sconce is very modern looking and I think it would look great as a pair, one on either side of a fireplace or picture. Comment down below and let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.